Hello everyone, this is Abhishek and you are watching me on Easy Learners. In this video, we are going to deal with talking on the phone. Alright, we are going to learn all the expressions which you will usually use on the phone. We are going to ask them to raise their volume to slower or to repeat what they said. We are going to learn a lot of expression which you use on the phone. We are going to learn the expression when you got cut off, when someone's dialed a wrong number, when the person is talking to the another person and you dialed a number and it's not going through, it's not ringing and line is busy. What do you say? We are going to learn all these in this lesson. Let's go. First, when someone calls you and your phone is ringing, now first thing to say is hello, as in question hello. Alright, now the person who is calling asks a question and he can do this in different ways. I have listed 4 common different ways. The first one is Jenny there? Is Jenny there please? Is Abhishek there please? Is Simran there please? Is Bob there please? This expression you would can use it in formal or in informal situation too. The second one is Jenny in? Is Abhishek in? Is Simran in? Is Mary in? You can use this when you are talking to your friend or somebody else who is not in business. Alright? And the third one is this is Abhishek. This is Abhishek calling for Daniel. This is Abhishek calling for Shimran. This is Abhishek calling for Bob. This expression you can use this in office or in business. Alright. The last one is may I speak to John please? May I speak to Mary please? May I speak to Jenny please? You can use this in formal situations or in business or at your work. Now how to respond? You would say speaking, or you will say Abhishek is speaking, how can I help you? This is more casual. Now what happens if you called your friend and his mother or his brother picked up a phone call? Okay, what do you say? You'll say, who am I talking to please? Now someone calls you and you picked up a call and he is not looking for you. They are not looking for you, they are looking for someone else. They are looking for your brother, for your sister, or for your mother. What do you say? You'll say, one moment please, just a sec please. They both are formal. You can use these both expressions at your work. The third one is hang on a sec, I'll get Bob. Hang on a sec, I'll get Jenny. This expression you will use to when you are talking to your friend or not in business. All right. Or you can use could you hold on. Could is used to be polite. Could is to be polite. Okay. Now what happens if the person is not available at the moment? Then you will say, I'm sorry, he is not available at the moment, or I'm sorry, she is not available at the moment or right now. Then you have to be helpful. You can ask them to leave a message. Then you would say, would you want to leave a message? Or you can say, can I take message? Can I take message for him? When you are calling and the person is not available at the moment, you can say them, could I leave a message? To be polite. Could to be polite. Could I leave a message? Now what happens and what do you say when the person is doing something else? He is busy. Then he will say, can I call you back in 10 minutes? Or he can say, can I call you back this afternoon? Then after 10 minutes, you return his call. Then you will say, I am returning. I am returning means you are calling back him after he called you. Alright? I am returning. Could I speak to Mrs. Chen? Could I speak to Bob? Now, what do you say if someone tells his name and you didn't catch that? Then you will say, could I ask you to spell that, please? Now, what happens if you are dialing a number and you are not going through? It's not ringing. What do you say? I can't get through. If your line is busy, you can say it's engaged. When the person is talking to other and you are calling and line is busy, then you will say it's engaged. Now here comes the volume. Now you are talking to a person and he is being too quiet. You are not able to listen him and you are not able to hear him. You can say him to raise their volume. How can you say that? Say, could you speak up, please? I can't hear you. I didn't catch you. Okay? Or you can say, could you speak a little louder, please? Now there is a connection problem and your voice is breaking up. Then you will say, it's a bad connection. You are breaking up. Now due to bad connection, you will say, I think we got cut off. You will say, I think we got cut off. When somebody calls you and he is asking for Bob and you don't know him, then you will say, sorry, I think you have got the wrong number. Sorry, you have got the wrong number. Another way to say that is, sorry, there's no one of that name. Sorry, there is no one of that name here. Or you will say, are you sure you dialed a right number? After that, you can ask them to a number he dialed, and sometimes he will tell you. And then you will say, oh, sorry, that's not this number. Something has gone wrong. Now, what happens when someone is talking too fast and you are not able to understand it? You didn't catch that. You will say, I am struggling to understand. This is optional, you can say it. I am struggling to understand. The important thing is you can say him to slower. You can say, please could you speak Could you speak slower, please? Could you speak slower, please? If he said something and you didn't catch that, and you want him to repeat, you could say, would you mind repeating that? Would you mind repeating that? This is all for this lesson. All these expressions will improve your listening skills, and this expression will give you an idea how to talk on phone. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. There are a lot of great videos which are helpful for you. Thanks so much. Have a great day ahead.